Basically the first floor that is finished. So I'm doing a walkthrough of the first floor. Okay, so here we go. So this is the main entrance. With this door, obviously it's not going to be here, so this door will be replaced. That's my security wire that I had them tucked out. And as you can see, everything here is all finished. That's my electrical outlet. Keep in mind that according to the code, I have to have my electrical outlet. I think it's about 4 meters away from the door. Please like, share, and subscribe as you come in. So basically, I'm doing a walkthrough of the first floor. As you can see in here, this is going to be the office with the pot lights already installed. I have one speaker table inside this room, one center light. These are my plugs that's going to go into the baseboards. There's one plug here. Bury the A plug on this wall. So I'm going to have to double check my videos to make sure, but I'm 100% sure that there's a plug that's buried on this wall. Again, it's important to walk through once the drywall is up to make sure that there's nothing that's buried. Obviously, there's something buried in here. Obviously, I remembered also where everything goes. So there's an outlet there. It's supposed to be a data. And again, as you can see, my data cable is buried here. So I'm going to write data missing and have the drywall guys come back and look for that. Please like, share, and subscribe as you come in. You can also leave a comment in the chat. There's my outlet here. Here's my other outlet. So as I said again, there's a plug missing here. So I'm going to write on the wall, receptacle missing. Drywall guys will come back and find that. Obviously, this washroom here is not finished. So I have my switch here. I have my pot lights, my fan. Everything's good inside this room. I have my receptacle for my toilet. Obviously, different drywall weatherproof, so that's not up. Please like and subscribe as you come in. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Here is going to be another outlet for the room GFI and LED mirror. I'm going to go into the hallway here. There's nothing missing. I have my outlet poked out. I have my security wire that's coming out here. I also have another receptacle here that's poked out, so there's nothing missing here. And then I will go into the family room just to double check the living room. This is the living room area. All my pot lights are here. My speakers are here. Also have one center light that's there. I have my receptacle that's poked out. They have my, I have another receptacle for the gas fireplace. So everything looks good here. My security wires are by the window. Nothing is buried. My switch is here, it's not buried. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. for more content if you want. Hey, what's up, Sad Mio? As you see here, I have my switch here. It's not buried. I have my other switch that's not buried. It's also, let me double check here. As I said, it's vital to just walk through, make sure there's nothing buried. I have one receptacle that's going to be up top here for my LED strip lights. You can leave a comment in the comment if you want said sad meow. Also here I have my speaker cables along with my pot lights. There's nothing buried. One receptacle here. I have another outlet on the top here. Here. Again, on my videos this morning that my live stream I did, I have smoke detector here. And I have another smoke detector on this side here. Just in case there's a smoke, it will pick up the other side. This is another washroom. As you can see, everything is here. It's going to be 2 pot lights, 1 fan, 2 lights, pendant lights. I have my GFI, my LED mirror light. Here I don't take a receptacle for the washroom toilet. It's a different type of flick. And again, I have my switches here. It's not buried. And then we'll go into this area here. I have all my pot lights that are there. I'm supposed to have 1 wire that's up top, which is in the box, which is not buried. And I have my switch here. So we'll leave that area. Again, this is just a walkthrough to make sure there's nothing buried. This is going to be a GFI. There's going to be a sink here. Then I have my switches along with my pot lights. In this room, I'm going to have 2 pot lights in here, along with my switch, which is not buried. This area here is a nanny's. This is going to be a nanny's kitchen. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button as you come in. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. My switch here is okay. This is going to be for my hood fan. Sorry. No. As you can see here, I'm gonna have my stove here, counter receptacles. That's going to be LED strip lights, LED puck lights in the cabinetry. So everything's good here, nothing's buried. This will be, of course, a walk-in freezer. And then this will be the main kitchen. So again, it's just a walkthrough. There should be an outlet here for the fridge, so that's good. This will be for the not the microwave. I remember. There's a stove, regular stove, one for the gas. There's my hood fan. These are going to be LED puck lights. So everything's poked out. And then you have my pot lights here. That's with the drywall up. One speaker cable. One center light. So again, this is everything finished. Just getting ready for to install my devices. Up, Brian. So everything's done here. There's nothing buried. My pot lights are straight. It's my speaker cable here. And here, there's nothing buried. Everything's fine. Here also, that's my motion sensor for the security. So nothing is buried here, everything's okay. It's also very important to just do a walkthrough to make sure that the drywallers didn't bury anything. That's my security pad. These are my switches. There's one outlet here. I'm supposed to have another outlet here also, it's not buried. Along with a switch for these two lights. And here I have my pot lights, they're not buried. And then we go into this area here. This is the family room. As you can see, I have all these pot lights, they're all the same distance, so I shouldn't have anything buried. There is a cable that's buried up here actually, that they were supposed to poke out. So I'm gonna have to have them out also. This is speaker, there's supposed to be a LED cable up here that they buried on me. So this is why it's very important to do a walkthrough. Make sure there's nothing buried. That's going to be a fridge up top. This is going to be for a sink. That's not buried. And we go into this open area. So none of my pot lights are buried here. None of my speaker cables are buried. Same thing here. Nothing is buried. And I have an outlet on this wall here, which obviously is not buried. I should have another outlet. I don't think, yep, there's an outlet here, it's not buried. Here. Also, you guys can chat up in the chat room if you want. Let me know if this video is helpful for you guys. Leave a comment. So these are all my receptacles. There's nothing buried. And this here is obviously my data cable and my TV receptacle. So before I had one data cable here, which was here, but I added another data cable because I don't know what they're planning on doing here, so I just pulled in an extra pipe. Okay, so there's nothing, only one thing that's buried in here. That's it. This is the washroom, another washroom. There's nothing buried in here. My switch here. And obviously my panel is here, is ready to go once I'm ready to power up. Here is one GF5 beside the sink. So here I had them leave this space open because I was supposed to run another conduit, but I'm going to take another path, which is much easier for me. So I'll have them close this area up. And here you go, there's another outlet there. There's my washer and dryer in this area. I have my pot lights, nothing's buried. I also have a smoke in here. Reason being that this door will be closed. There's a smoke on the outside. So once this door is closed, the smoke has no way of getting on the outside. So for that reason, I have a smoke installed on the outside here. That way, if there's happen to be a smoke in this area, it will trigger the smoke on the outside with the door closed. Also, I have a smoke in here also. This door will be closed. So there's a smoke that was installed in this area, in this room. As you can see here, my pot lights, there's nothing buried here. My speaker cable here. And it's another speaker cable along with my outlets. This will be for the boiler. Two receptacles I'm going to be providing for the boilers. And here is my, there's going to be a TV here. So I have my data and I have my TV outlet. I have to put it in this, obviously. There's a switch here. So again, with the video I put out this morning, the live stream, I have another smoke detector here. And I also have a smoke detector in this big open area. Obviously, they're going to be spending most of their time in this area. There's no smoke detector inside the kitchen. Obviously, with the smoke, you don't normally place the smoke detector in the kitchen, as the smoke will trigger it. As you come in, you can please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. So basically, like I said, this was just a video with the drywall in place. Now that my drywall is finished, they're going to clean up this mess, and then I'll be able to start to work, do my finishing stuff. So there's 4 people here. You can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment if you have any comments regarding the electrical work or regarding any electrical work problems that is taking place. You can leave a comment. Now there's 5 people. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that's basically it for my video. It's a short video. It's just a walkthrough of the first floor. And you guys can stay tuned for more content. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.